Thank you, Yamaguchi-san. Hello, everybody. I am Yuji KIMURA from Global Environment Center Foundation. On behalf of organizers, I'd like to say a few words as a closing address. First, we deeply appreciate all of you for participating in today's seminar. We are also very grateful for the kind cooperation by the Ministry of Environment of Sri Lanka. Without your cooperation, we hadn't been able to hold this seminar successfully. Sri Lanka became a JCM member country in October 2022, and one of the partner countries that agreed upon the new rules and guidelines corresponding to the Article 6 of the Paris Agreement. Today, we held the first JCM seminar in Sri Lanka. Through this seminar, we aim at creating opportunities for people in Sri Lanka and Japan to learn and deepen their understanding about the JCM itself and JCM financing program. Today, we have the seminar in a webinar format, and thanks to you, we were able to have a lot of participants. For today's seminar, we have chosen contribution to GHG emission reductions in Sri Lanka through the JCM as a main theme, because this fiscal year is the first year for Sri Lanka to utilize JCM for accelerating GHG emission reductions. Sri Lanka has established policies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 14.5% against BAU scenario for the period of 2021 to 2030 through national plans and programs that cover all relevant sectors, as well as external support, including financing, technology transfer, and capacity building. It has also declared to achieve 70% renewable energy in electricity generation by 2030 and carbon neutrality in 2050. In Japan, the government has established its GHG emission target as 46% reduction by the year 2030. It has also declared to achieve carbon neutral society by the year 2050. These developments were presented by the representatives from the Ministry of Environment of Sri Lanka and the Ministry of the Environment Japan in this seminar. In achieving these national targets and goals, the cooperation between Japan and Sri Lanka is becoming much more important than before. JCM is one of the effective measures to realize it, and high expectations are expressed by both government's representatives. We are now at the first step toward starting our efforts to develop JCM projects as many as possible in Sri Lanka and contributing to GHG reductions nationally and globally. From this point of view, in today's seminar, we have tried to give you the detailed information how JCM model projects are proposed, selected, and advanced towards the project completion. We also invited an ADB representative to present their financial support scheme to promote JCM projects in Asia. Another objective of today's seminar was to show you a couple of good examples of JCM model projects with a view to providing you with concrete ideas on how JCM projects are formulated and implemented and how challenges are addressed. From these points of view, we picked up two promising JCM model projects. One is a solar power project in Sri Lanka, and other is a combination project of energy saving and solar power in Indonesia. Representatives from Shibata Corporation and Yuko Keiso, respectively, showed us the clear images of their projects. JCM has a great potential to promote the introduction and dissemination of a variety of decarbonizing technologies and contribute to combating climate change, as well as achieving sustainable development goals in Sri Lanka. I hope this seminar has provided all the participants with the opportunity to know and utilize JCM. We are assisting companies which are interested in JCM through individual consultations. In addition, our JCM Global Match provides opportunities for various companies interested in JCM to find each other and formulate JCM projects together. We hope today's participants will actively use these opportunities. Finally, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to all the speakers for their excellent contribution. Thank you very much.